introduce yourself?
Yes, hi, my name is Maricara Aguilos and I'm an assistant research professor here at the Forestry and Environmental Resources Department of the College of Natural Resources. So I've been here since 2018, moving from postdocs to research associate to research scholar, and now finally I got a position as an assistant research professor, fortunately. And so I am teaching one class per semester, but most of my time I really devote my time on doing research work. Focused on atmospheric carbon measurement, wherein we put up a tower where we install a lot of instruments at the top of it, and then we kind of measure the atmospheric carbon in real time. That's with high data resolution, with say for example we can get 10 data per second, but of course we have to average them in a day. And what else? I'm teaching, so I love data analytics, so I teach critical thinking and data analytics course. And so this is our lab, and one of our instruments is the Picaro. This instrument measures isotopic carbon and methane. So this is really cool, and it can also measure the isotopic carbon of some soils if you like to. Okay, this is a soil incubator, so you can put your soils here and incubate for a couple of months or a year if you like to. And this one here is an oven. Okay, it's just an oven to put some of your litters or some of soils that you want to so these are the gases that we use when we calibrate our instruments from the tower, and also the gases that we will be used when we try to do some experiment or some measurements with methane and carbon in this Picaro. So these are the gases that we will be using. Okay. Our master's student that works for the bioenergy program that we have, she has this study on looking at the beetles that are infesting the American sycamore. It's a bioenergy crop that Jennifer has been using, and so she's looking at the extent of damage and why they are like that in American sycamore. And so what she did is she has to extract from the American sycamore leaves the tannins, and with the amount of tannins that she will be determining, she will know why the American sycamore is really into why they are just that long to the infestation is short. So has it something to do with tannin? So they are looking into that. Okay.